Join a skating group. Glide into social learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in your English learning journey. Join a skating group. Whether you're a fan of ice skating, rollerblading, or skateboarding, understanding this phrase can help you not only improve your English but also join communities that share your interests. Let's get started. Join a skating group is a phrase that suggests becoming a member of a community or team that engages in skating activities. This can include a wide range of skating styles, such as ice skating, roller skating, or skateboarding. The word join indicates the action of becoming part of this group, which implies participation, engagement, and potentially making new friends who have similar interests. Joining a skating group has numerous benefits. Firstly, it's a fantastic way to improve your skating skills through regular practice and tips from more experienced skaters. Secondly, it's an excellent opportunity for social interaction and making new friends. Skating groups often organize events, competitions, or social gatherings, making your experience more enjoyable and diverse. Lastly, being part of a group can motivate you to stay active and engaged with your hobby, especially on days when you might lack the motivation to skate alone. Finding and joining a skating group can seem daunting, but it's quite simple with the right approach. Start by researching local skating clubs or groups online or through social media platforms. Many cities have community centers or skating rinks that host groups. Don't hesitate to reach out to these groups with a message expressing your interest in joining. Remember, skating communities are generally welcoming and eager to help beginners. If you're new to skating or joining groups in general, here are a few tips to ease your journey. Be open-minded and willing to learn. Every skater started as a beginner, so don't be afraid to ask for help or advice. Invest in good quality safety gear, such as helmets and knee pads, to protect yourself during your learning process. Attend group sessions regularly to build your skills and relationships within the group. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to join a skating group, and how doing so can enrich your skating experience and social life. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and enjoy the journey of learning and growing within your new community. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.